Hi everyone, Jessica Ridella here along with Kevin Kelly. We are two of the ICO analysts for Bitcoin Market Journal, and today we're discussing Polaris ICO. So essentially, this is a new blockchain platform that's going to be based on Sharding protocol where token holders can actually make profits. So Polaris is an established company that's really trying to combat some of the fundamental weaknesses in blockchain architecture. So some of these key problems today include slow block times, high transaction costs, and what their platform really wants to do is to become the first candidate that's going to introduce a secure sharding protocol for permissionless blockchain. So what this is going to do is it's going to scale up consensus mechanisms, and that's going to ultimately create scalability and usability for next generation cryptocurrencies. So this is an incredibly innovative technology. They do have the lead time advantage here. But by that same notion, because it's so new, this is really uncharted territory. So one of the concerns we have is that they're creating an entirely new blockchain that does not yet have a working MVP. So it's really hard to feel confident about this when we haven't tested out how it's going to scale and how it's really going to perform. Additionally, there's really not much information on their white paper in terms of what their roadmap is going to really look like. And the team doesn't have any partnerships listed to help them with user adoption. So that's another concern that we have.
Yeah, so as Jessica said, we do have a couple of different concerns for this project, and most of our scores reflect that in that they're pretty average across the board. Looking at the team, however, we do have two very prominent co-founders. It's a weird team structure. They actually are both labeled as the CEOs on the website. So Nin Shane and then Bao Chen, each of whom is a former software engineer or data analyst, and more specifically, Bao Chen, much like his partner Shen, has worked as a software engineer, but his experience includes working with the likes of Cisco, eBay, and Apple. So top-notch companies, Fortune 500 companies, good experience. The rest of the team is really up in the air. Unfortunately, Polaris doesn't provide the greatest amount of information on the employees, the token, like a variety of things that they really should. So obviously their transparency score hurts because they're really not giving us enough information to give an accurate review on this. But based on what we have and based on the information from the LinkedIn profiles, the co-founders look pretty good, but the rest of the team is about average with a decent set of advisors. And then looking closer at the token, one thing that we liked is that there is profit sharing from the data, from the mining that they'll be doing. So investors who hold those tokens will be able to get excited about that. But other than that, like we said, there's really little to no information around what the PLR token will actually do and its function on the platform and why they need it. But it's clear that they do want to create their own blockchain, which could pay off in the long run or could end up being them biting off more than they can chew. But only time will tell.
Yeah, and so we do hope to see some more information about this company. I know in terms of social media, the people who are holding the token are excited for those profit dividend sharing. But other than that, there's really not that much info. So we wish them best of luck, and we look forward to hearing more about what they develop in the long run. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.